Let's see reactions that alcohols undergo. So first reaction is the combustion of alcohol. So you will have to write the balanced chemical equation for the combustion. Be careful that alcohols undergo both complete or incomplete combustion. So you have to be careful. Incomplete combustion. So let's try to write this one. Methanol is CH3OH. An incomplete combustion, it will react with oxygen to give carbon monoxide and water, so CO and H2O. Let's balance this equation. So 1 carbon, 4 hydrogen. For these kind of reactions, you have to be careful because there is already an H, there's already an O here. So don't forget to count this. So here there is 2 plus 1, there's 3 oxygen. There is 2 here plus 1 free oxygen. So the oxygen is already balanced. So this is the equation for incomplete combustion. Now for complete combustion of methanol, so here you will have carbon dioxide and water. So CH3OH plus oxygen give you carbon dioxide and water. Balance the equation. And here 2 plus 2, so 4 oxygen. There is 1 here. Don't forget to count it. So you'll need 3 other oxygen here. So 3/2. Now you could double up everything, it would still give you the same thing. So you could have this as well. So you're going to write down for incomplete and complete combustion of ethanol and for pentanol. The other reaction undergone by alcohol is to form carboxylic acid. We're going to see that again when we do carboxylic acid. So alcohols will be oxidized. So if we boil alcohol with a strong oxidizing agent as potassium manganate or acidified potassium dichromate, there's going to be a color change because alcohol will be oxidized to form a carboxylic acid. So if you have potassium manganate, you're going to have the color change from purple to colorless, so it will decolorize. And if you are using potassium dichromate, it will change from orange to green. So this is the oxidation reaction. So this video is going to show you the oxidation. When we say boil under reflux, so you'll see the setup for boiling under reflux.
Reaction take place.
So in the round bottom flask, you have
the very small Bunsen burner, micro burner,
potassium
and I'm going to
dichromate
position
6,
that underneath the flask,
acidified potassium
and we're going to
dichromate
heat
6, which
the
is
contents
orange
of the
in
flask
color, and we
watch
are
what
going to
happens.
heat this mixture up. You see the mixture is being heated, and after some time it turns green. So from orange to green, you have the oxidation that has taken place. This setup is called heating under reflux, where you have the condenser which is on top, and at the bottom rubber tubing, you have water that goes in, and the rubber tubing on top here, you have water that goes out. So this is called heating under reflux. You have a condenser. So when you heat up the alcohol, what happens is, because it is very volatile, it has a low boiling point, the alcohol is going to want to evaporate very quickly. So to prevent rapid evaporation of the alcohol without the reaction taking place, we put a condenser. So as soon as the alcohol evaporates, it forms droplets and condenses back in the round bottom flask, so that the reaction with the acidified potassium dichromate 6 takes place. So this is a condenser setup. It's called heating under reflux, and it allows very volatile substances to react completely. else they would not react, they would evaporate as soon as they start to be heated. So this is heating under reflux. Uses of ethanol. Ethanol is used as a solvent for reaction, for organic reaction, and it's also used as a fuel. Ethanol can also be used as a solvent for perfumes, for paints, varnishes. Ethanol is also used in alcoholic drinks. It's also used as fuel for vehicles, and it can also be used to make ethanoic acid, which is used as a preservative for food, and also to make esters. Esters are substances that smell good and taste familiar. For example, if you have something that tastes like strawberry but doesn't actually contain strawberry, it's because of an ester that have that taste of strawberry. So it's man-made thing. So these are uses of ethanol. You're going to work out the questions and see the answers.